Summary of IPv6. What do we do in the IPv6 course? Several things. Why do we need IPv6? The benefits and uses of it. We looked at the addressing and expression of it. How do we the rules, right? The leading zeros, the double colons, the different types of addresses, the special addresses, the multicast for the routing protocols. Very important. You got to look at those tables. We manually assign an IPv6 address, okay, to a router, okay, to two interfaces, or three actually. And then we did on one interface on one of the routers, we did the EUI64. We saw how that padding came in and it actually went and assigned the interface ID automatically. So that was pretty cool. All right. And then we talked about ICMPv6. Now, as far as how to configure our internet networking devices, we did the unicast, IPv6 unicast routing. We saw the differences between global config and interface config. Okay. In the RIP-NG, I showed you on one router that we went to global configuration, did IPv6 router 1, okay, and then router RIP1, and then we went to the interface and did IPv6 RIP1 enable, and really all you had to do was just do it on the interface and that's it. Static routing, like I said, it's like the same thing as a static route, just with IPv6 addresses. But the whole thing is that nobody's going to do that. I mean, it was bad enough with IPv4, and IPv6 is just ridiculous. But static routes are something that's possible that you can do. It's a very small network, two subnets, 3 subnets, 5 subnets, 7 subnets. Okay, we'll do the rule, but like Microsoft does, 10, right? 10 subnets, and that's it. All right, IP route, the IPv6 address with the prefix length and the exit interface. Done. All right, there's your static route right there. Okay, so be very, with static routes, doubtful. Just know that static routes always will take over. You've seen that already. Will take over RIP if you have them both configured, unless you're doing a default route. But you saw that RIP-NG was very, very simple to do. So we covered a bunch of things in IPv6. Go over it. Practice makes perfect. And also remember, the book is there, so get it. Get it, because you really need to know it. All the diagrams and everything are in here. Very simple, very straight to the point, exactly what we did on the board. All right, so it'll be helpful both for IPv4 and IPv6. Anything you need to know, that book will have it. All right, with that said, I'll see you guys next.